Welcome back to the show, and today we're going to be doing a little special show, not the usual out and about, but we're going to be taking a look at some of the cars that we featured on the show. This Lancia Delta HF Integrale, which is Rally spec. A little history on the car if you haven't seen it. It was one of 3 cars made for Swedish Rally Class N series, made in Italy, 245 brake horsepower. You can get a lot more out of this car if you tune it. It's road legal and rally ready, and it's on the auction now. Currently, it's around 6,000 euros. It's going to take a lot more than that to purchase this car, but it's up for grabs, and the closing date is this week, Thursday. A bit of rally history here, all stripped out in the Martini racing colours. Looks fantastic, drives fantastic, a lot of fun, that car. Tomorrow will be the day somebody drives away with it anyway. So just giving you the opportunity and a heads up for all you early birds that get onto the show. All right, that's car number 1. Right, so here's another car that's on the auction at the moment, and it's a Corvette C5 from 1998. It's a really nice car, quite interesting as well. It comes with the Targa roof, so that roof comes all the way off. It's got a 5.7 litre V8 and a Bora exhaust, which is stainless steel, I believe. It's a manual 6-speed, and it does 0 to 100 in 4.7 seconds, so it's properly quick. 350 brake horsepower, and at the moment it's around 13,000 euros. They need a little bit more to get that one, but it's not too far away actually from a sale. So if you're shopping for a Corvette C5, this one is absolutely stunning, so don't miss out. So maybe you're in the market for a VW camper. Here we have one from 1971. It's a T2. This one with interesting patina, as you can see, nice and original. And it also comes with a fold down double bed as well, so ready to go camping. This one is a driver, and it's been serviced and looked after pretty well. You might need a little tune up on this one, but it's here and it's ready to go. So as we are in Sweden, how about a full Swedish Volvo Amazon Rally edition? Now this Volvo Amazon is made for the track, also legal on the road, 185 brake horsepower. And this thing here comes with a full roll cage, 4-point harness inside. This thing is ready to go, and it absolutely rips it up. And last but not least, we still have this Ford Escort Cosworth. Still no information about this car going up, but we will definitely keep you informed. Just a quick one, just to inform you about some of the amazing cars which are going up for grabs tomorrow here in Sweden. Corvettes, rally cars, and camper vans. Right, so you've been warned once again. Tomorrow's the day. Make your bid if you're interested, and if not, we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.